Working at Delta, you will be central in demonstrating our commitment to customers by making the travel experience as smooth and pleasant as possible. As a member of our ground crew, you will work with an innovative team whose common goal is to ensure that our customers' baggage and cargo arrive safely and on time, a task that can make a huge difference in the customer experience. At Delta, our brand is critical to our continued success. As a baggage handler or ramp operator, you play a key part in keeping our brand strong by demonstrating strict adherence to uniform compliance, maintaining professionalism, and exhibiting a positive attitude. Additionally, excellent teamwork and external customer service is another attribute that keeps our Delta brand strong. Delta baggage handlers and ramp operators are required to safely lift, load, unload, and transport baggage, mail, and cargo to and from the aircraft. They are also responsible for on-time connections by guiding incoming and departing aircraft from the gate positions. At Delta, safety is our #1 priority, and employees should always practice and promote safety-conscious behaviors during all activities. Each of us must understand the importance of safety and have the ability to remain constantly alert in an always-changing work environment. Other duties include safely driving and operating ground equipment such as tugs, belt loaders, and tow tractors in areas of congestion. Delta baggage handlers and ramp operators must be able to work primarily outdoors in weather conditions of all types and work comfortably in extremely loud environments. These jobs are also physically demanding, requiring bending, stooping, twisting, standing, and walking. In addition to strenuous, repetitive lifting tasks that will involve moving baggage in and out of aircraft bins and transport carts, they are responsible for connecting power, air conditioning, and water supplies to planes. Working in confined spaces and on knees for an extended period of time in the aircraft bins is also involved. You will need to work at different heights and perform repetitive lifting of up to 50 pounds and occasionally between 50 to 70 pounds while on a strict time schedule to keep our flights on time. Using computers is part of the everyday job of a baggage handler or ramp operator. To read, enter information, and operate baggage scanners. Plus, they must assist with record keeping and documentation to ensure baggage and cargo are routed to the correct destination. In return for all your efforts, you can build a rewarding career with the world's best airline, work in a team environment where members truly support one another, and find opportunities every day to serve others.